In the next 3 minutes, let me show you how you can color grade your image professionally in Photoshop. So without wasting much time, let's get to it. So to get started, I'm just going to duplicate the background layer by dragging it down to this icon right here. So after duplicating the background layer, I'll head on to my filter, then I'll select camera raw filter. So once I click on that, it's going to appear right here. So to get started, I'm going to start with the basics right here. So I'm going to open it. For the exposure, I'll take the exposure up a bit to about plus 0.65. So I'll just leave it there. I can adjust that later if it doesn't fit. So, but let's just leave it there. And for the contrast, I'm just going to add the contrast to about plus 18. And the highlight, I'll reduce it to minus, let me see, minus 66 is fine. And shadows, I'll add it up a bit. Then for the white, I'm just going to minus it to minus 27. For the black, I'll also minus it a bit also. So I'll head on to the texture. I'll add texture a little bit. Clarity, I'll add it to plus 12. I'll not touch any adjustment right here again, but I'll still come back to the basics. So for now, I'll head on to color mixer. And once I select color mixer, I'll start with the saturation first of all. So I'll just add the red and add the orange. So you can see the image is taking shape already. And also I'm going to add the yellow. Once I'm done right here, I'll head on to my hue. And for the red, I'll just play around with this to plus 7, the orange to plus 8. I think the orange is too much. I'll just reduce it to plus 3. So you can see how it's looking. And I'll close the color mixer. I'll I'll head on to calibration. I'll only adjust just the red primary. So I'm just going to play around. If I take it to this side, you can see. If I take it here, so I just want to add it to plus 3. So you can see. Once I'm done there, I'll head on to my basics right here. And for the temperature, I'll add red. I'll add yellow a bit, about plus 1. Then I'll just play around with the magenta. Maybe I'll leave the magenta at plus 3. So once that is being checked, you can see. Let me just press my Q on the keyboard. So you can see the before right here. You can see the after. The image is looking amazing already. But I'm not done. I'm just going to head on right to effect, and I'm going to adjust this part a bit of it. So once I'm done there, you can see the before and you can see the after. So I'll just click OK. So this is the before and this is the after. So this is the before and this is the after. I hope this video is helpful. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the like button and also comment, share. See you in the next one.